Lou talking about using your smartphone to keep your car warm this winter.
I love this. Good morning, Lou.
Good morning, Tracy. Good morning, Tom. Yes, we're talking about other ways to start your vehicle. And I also want to mention, and in fact, I just got an email last night. A woman said, hey, the car dealership told me if anybody adds a remote start to my vehicle besides the dealership, it's going to void my warranty. I'll say it again. Adding a remote car start does not automatically void the warranty on your vehicle. And if someone tells you that, they are in violation of federal law. But just make sure the shop is reputable and knows what they're doing, whoever's working on your vehicle. The ability to start your vehicle with your phone is absolutely amazing, and it's great for people that might work somewhere where they don't have windows. Maybe they're working in a lower floor. People have contacted us who work downtown. They park far away from where they work. You can actually start your vehicle from your phone. As long as you have a cell phone or a Wi-Fi connection, you can do that, and it's pretty awesome. There is a cost associated with this. We have to install something into the vehicle. Typically, the cost runs anywhere from $400 to $500, depending on the vehicle, usually in the lower end of the price spectrum. And there is a monthly cost associated also. It's either $3.33 a month or up to $5 a month. So there is a monthly cost because you are using the cell phone towers in order to start your vehicle. Here's something that's pretty cool too. If you have Alexa at your home, you can go to your Alexa app. You can enable the drone mobile skill, and you could actually say, hey Alexa, start my car. So that's pretty cool. You could also say, hey Alexa, lock my doors. So it's pretty cool, the technology that they do have today. So Tracy and Tom, back to you.
Thank you, Lou. How cool is that?
Real nice.
Is there anything Alexa can't do?
I don't know.